welcome guys, it's Trendy Styles Forever. Keep watching. Hello there beautiful ladies, thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video where you get to find 2025 new protective hairstyle braids ideas for black women. This particular hairstyles compiled into one video was taken from a hairstylist located in Brazil. If you do want her contact or his contact information, you're surely going to let us know in the comment section. If you're located in that environment, we'll be sure to share it with you and direct you on how you can get across to him or her. We do want you to always get great inspiration like this because a lot of creative hands are out there. You may not see all of them, be it as a client or as a hairstylist. It is our duty and our job right here on this channel, on this platform, to give you great inspirations like this via the pictures that we show to you and sometimes the videos that we inspire you through. You are definitely gonna see 90 plus large braids hairstyles for a unique look, and these are hairstyles suitable for women of all ages. So if you're an older woman and you're wondering what braid hairstyle to go for, this is a wonderful look for you right here. Quite inspiring, quite beautiful, and some of them are actually very simple. It can be achieved in a simple and timely fashion. Ideas for you to look good this year, great ideas. You can see ponytail braids, you can see half up half down braids, you can see jumbo size braids, you can see braids combined with variations of hair extensions. You can see ideas that should definitely help you stand out and look really unique and beautiful in your own way. So again, go right ahead and watch the video through the end, get the inspiration you're looking for. As you watch this amazing video through the end, also check out our previously uploaded videos. We have great inspirations already up and running for you. You need to just stop by, check them out, and let us know how you feel about all the videos that we share with you right here on our platform. We encourage you to keep watching our videos as they come on board. We are definitely going to be bringing the very best braid hairstyle looks for you this year 2025. Feel good and have an amazing and beautiful experience with us right here on Trendy Styles Forever. Keep it with us here always. Don't forget to leave us that thumbs up, that like. It goes a long way to not just telling us thank you but helping the channel grow. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.